Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you the starter, fuse and relay location. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Now if your Ford Escape is not starting, or you just hear the clicking noise and you made sure the battery is in good condition, then you might have a problem with your starter. But the first thing to check is the starter fuse and starter relay. If those both prove to be good, then you can start doing some deeper diagnostics. But first thing first, and that's to check the fuses and relays. Both the starter fuse and the relay will be located in a fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. Now to leave this cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side and one on the other side. So to leave the cover, what you want to do, you want to pull this tab towards yourself and then up to unlock it. Because you see there is a small black pin down there which has to get under this opening here. You will do the same thing on the other side and that way remove the cover. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram which can definitely come in handy. Starter fuse is fuse number 11, which is a 30 amp fuse located right here. And the starter relay, it's relay number 30B and it is located right here. So best way to test it is just try replacing it with one of the other relays of the same kind and see if it makes any difference. If it does, just buy a new relay and replace it. New relay costs around $4 or $5. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.